Hi everyone, and welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. I went to a Whole Foods market and wanted to capture the price of things and why it is important to grow some of your food. This will help control the weekly shopping bill as inflation continues to rise. Now, I know not everyone has the time or space to grow food, but if you can identify the top 3 or 4 vegetables your family eat multiple times a week, and that has a somewhat high price tag, perhaps you could focus your growing efforts on those vegetables. For example, we eat a lot of bell pepper in stir fries and soups and stews, and as you can see here, it's $6.99 for a bag. Yet because we grow these, we do not have to buy them. And I am putting away enough to get us through, hopefully, the fall and winter. We also enjoy snap peas, which also has a somewhat high price value, and we are growing these, and I hope to store enough to get us through the fall and winter. We also eat a lot of leafy greens such as collard greens, chard, spinach, bok choy, and kale. We eat this for dinner and breakfast. These vegetables are grown year-round, so we eat them fresh from the garden and have not needed to buy any from the market. You can do the same, thus reducing your weekly food bill, even if it means partnering with a friend or family member to grow food in their garden. I mean, look at the size of each of these items and the cost associated with them. Then multiply how many are needed for a family of 4 or 6. Everything appears to be increasing in price, shrinking in value, lacking in quality, or a combination of all. If you have the room, don't forget to plant a few fruit trees. They are very low maintenance and continue to produce fruit from 10 to over 100 years depending on the variety. Berry bushes and ground covers last between 3 to 10 years, but you can take cuttings to extend the life. And because I eat a lot of fruit during the summer, making smoothies for breakfast, I knew ahead of time that I needed to plant fruit trees and fruit bushes to reduce the cost of purchasing fruit from the market. A lot of items are on sale, but focus on the regular cost, as this is the price you will likely pay most of the time you go shopping. And consider prices are likely to continue to rise. And signing a bill to relieve millions of dollars in student loan debt will not help with inflation. It just adds to the spending. Finding ways to reduce the cost of college, in my opinion, will be a better solution for all. But that's a different topic. Here you have squash that costs $1.99 per pound. That may not seem like much until you weigh it and realize that each weigh between 1.5 and 4 pounds. So it will cost almost $8 for this one butternut squash. Is one enough for your family? Just to reiterate, this is a Whole Foods market in the tri-state area. Whole Foods is considered to be a high-quality market that supports sustainable agriculture. They offer a large variety of fresh organic food, and they also support local farmers and businesses that produce goods and crafts. I was also informed by their butchers that they can trace their fresh meat and fish back to the farms or waters in which they were obtained. Whole Foods is the only market in the area that I am aware of that sells uncured beef bacon. The brand of beef bacon I get does not have preservative, nitrates, or artificial ingredients. However, the past year, like everything else, the price on beef bacon went up and the package shrunk. And if that wasn't bad enough, the beef bacon has so much more fat than usual. I mean, a lot more fat that you just don't even enjoy the beef bacon. So sadly, we have not purchased beef bacon in a while, nor do we anticipate purchasing any beef bacon anytime soon. So here is a walkthrough of the meat section. at the Whole Foods market. It is definitely different than the variety at the giant market I visited last week.